We're going to look at finding side lengths using right triangle trigonometry. And this is going back to our sine, cosine, tangent information. So you want to have your notes open. So in step 1, it says to label each side according to the position of the reference angle. So this right here, this 52 degrees is your reference angle. So from that reference angle, you'll notice that this is the opposite. And then always what's across from the right angle is the hypotenuse, which then leaves this to be the adjacent. This is what you're going to do for 2, 3, and 4. Now on the bottom, step 2, you're going to do the same thing as step 1. And then you're going to highlight the 2 sides that have information provided. So the reference angle here is 64, and the x is the opposite. I should make that the same color. So let's see, let me erase that. And I'll make this in red, like I did up there. So that's the opposite. We know that the hypotenuse is what's across from the right angle, and the adjacent is what is next to. So what I'm going to highlight here are the 2 sides that have information provided. The opposite has information provided, it's an x, and the adjacent has information provided, it's 11. And now you're going to do that for 6, 7, and 8. Now here we're going to do the same thing as well, but I am going to only highlight what's given. So from the given angle, which is 58, I know that I have an opposite and I have an adjacent. And now they want you to set up the equation. So we have here opposite over adjacent, which is your tangent. And now you're going to do the same thing for 10. Now the next part that you're going to do for 9 and 10 is you're going to start to fill in the blanks. So we have tan 58 equals x over 15, opposite over adjacent. And we want to solve for x, which means we need to multiply both sides by 15. So your equation that you're going to write is 15 tan 58, put that in parentheses if you want, equals x. You're going to continue to do that for number 10 as well. For 11 and 12, you can go ahead and do the same thing as you did for 9 and 10, and where you're going to end up is just here. We'll work on the rest when we get back.